Day 2, what am I gonna make? Oh yeah.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Frozen chicken, check. Sausage 1, check. Sausage 2, check. Hot sauce soup it is.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it is day 2 of the freezer clean out challenge. So what are we gonna do? A one-pot meal, that's what we're gonna do. My hot sauce soup. I've done it before, but I want you guys to see how you can do it. And clean out your freezer as well as your cupboards and use up some of that pasta you get from the food pantry. Ready? Come on, let's take a closer look. I've got my water boiling here. That's our first step. We're gonna make kind of like a base for the soup, like a roux. So let's take our hot sauce. I'm putting in at least 1 cup of hot sauce. I know you're thinking, Uncle Chris, that's gonna be too hot. No, it won't, because the potatoes are gonna absorb a lot of the hotness in here. All right, now, I've got a bag of frozen chicken breasts. I'm gonna put those in. They're skinless and boneless. These will be great for the soup. Yep, I'm putting them all in here. We're gonna let that start cooking. I'm gonna put in my onion powder, at least a tablespoon, because I'm using a very large pot. I've got at least a quart of water in here, if not a quart and a half. And I'm also going to put in some black pepper, same amount. Jay's over here watching me cook. I want to put in 2 onions. I've chopped up 2 large onions. I'm putting them in. Now, we're going to let this cook until it comes to a boil. Then we're going to add in our chopped up potatoes and our veggies. I've got 3 cans of mixed vegetables. And last but not least, we're going to put in our sausage. So it's kind of like a gumbo, but not. Okay, nieces and nephews, at this point, our chicken is basically done. We're going to put in our potato, because the chicken has already made a stock. And we're going to put in our veggies. Yep, water it all. All 3 cans. We're going to cook this until the potatoes and veggies are done. Then we're going to add our sausage, cook for about 8 more minutes after that, and serve. Oh yeah. Now that our veggies are done, I'm going to chop up our sausage. Put that right on in. Oh, yes. All right, I'm going to let this cook till everything is done, and then we can serve. Nieces and nephews, look, it is done. That's how it's supposed to look when you're done, okay? I'm going to take some. Now, you can also put this over top of rice, pasta, anything you like. Add you some cornbread to this and you got yourself some good eating. Oh yeah. This came out really good and hot. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe. All right. Now, join us in our freezer clean out challenge, okay? Ooh, write to me and show me pictures of what you guys make. I'll feature it on the show, okay? Isn't that right, Javen? Javen says yes. All right, guys. Till next time, big love from Uncle Chris.